protecting my peace for so long. A little too good, now I'm so low. Watching reruns of the same shows. Almost every party I'm a no-show. Even with green lights I don't go. Never been sure, no I don't know. How does everybody else let go of the ego?
Today marks a significant moment in my journey. A moment of transition, growth, and self-discovery. For too long, I've operated from a place of constant vigilance, always striving to fix everything for myself and my loved ones. But today, I am here as someone who is embracing a softer version of myself. I've realized that I no longer want to rush through life, frantically trying to create moments that haven't yet materialized. Instead, I'm choosing to step back and let go of what isn't, focusing my energy on what is, right here, right now. This is a time of profound growth and transformation for me, a time to allow myself to feel deeply and authentically. I'm embracing my feelings, acknowledging them, and allowing them to guide me on this journey of self-discovery. I'm letting go of the need to control every outcome and instead surrendering to the flow of life, trusting that everything will unfold exactly as it should. It's a time to be present and to cultivate a sense of inner peace and contentment. So today, I invite you to join me in this journey of self-discovery and self-acceptance. Let's embrace our feelings, our vulnerabilities, and our imperfections, knowing that they are what makes us beautifully human. As I ease back into solid foods, I'm treating myself to a dish that I've been longing for, agua fresca. It's become my staple breakfast and dessert lately, especially because my daughter adores my homemade strawberry milk, and I'm personally obsessed with this refreshing treat. A word of caution, don't attempt to throw all your nuts into the juicer at once. It could easily clog it up. Instead, gradually add more nuts as they clear out to avoid any mishaps. And when it comes to almonds, be sure to soak them overnight or for a few hours as they take a bit longer compared to other nuts I've used. My favorite part of this process is making it. I love deciding what fruit I like to use. Today, I decided to go with watermelon and strawberries. It gives the strawberry milk so much flavor and it tastes delicious. I usually don't add ice, but since I did not have time to refrigerate my fruit and almond milk, I'm adding the ice. Over this past year, my teeth are a bit sensitive to cold foods. I believe I've been overdoing it for so long that they're over the shenanigans. And no, I do not have any cavities. I go to the dentist regularly and they are perfect. I know how some of you guys like to diagnose me every time I mention something, so I wanted to make that clear. Being creative for my daughter's dessert preferences is a must. Today, I'm making chocolate for her strawberries using avocado, coconut oil, cacao powder, and dates. And trust me, it tastes just like chocolate. While I used to rely solely on dates as the base of my chocolate, we're cutting back on sugar now. Of course, she enjoyed every bit of her snack, but I enjoy finding a healthy balance with her. Also, I've been hosting daily quizzes about raw veganism on my community tab. Drop a comment below if you've been participating and sharing your thoughts. I would love to hear the feedback.
Oh no, anxiety creeps up on me. Is this how it's supposed to feel? Tell me when it's over, I got someplace that I gotta be. It won't leave.
Introducing the new Nama J3 juicer. For those of you joining my channel for the first time, I'm all about convenience, especially when it comes to travel-friendly appliances. I've been lugging around my J2 for a while now, and let me tell you, it's not exactly flight-friendly. It's bulky and takes up so much space in my carry-on bag, but now with the new Nama J3, I am thrilled to hit the road. This juicer is compact, weighing in less than 10 pounds, and it easily fits into my carry-on bag. Plus, it can produce up to 16 ounces of juice, which is perfect for my on-the-go lifestyle. If you're a fellow travel enthusiast like myself, trust me, this is a must-have. Embracing the opportunity to eat clean and live a healthy lifestyle is a privilege that not everyone has. While for some it may be costly or inaccessible, I'm grateful for the ability to nourish my body with what it needs. I envision a world where prioritizing healthy eating is as natural as daily hygiene practices. In today's challenging times with so much uncertainty surrounding food, I'm committed to inspiring others to prioritize their health and well-being however I can. My content isn't aimed solely at sick individuals. It's intended for everyone. The reality is, consuming ultra-processed foods is gradually reducing our lifespan, regardless of our current health status. If you're finding it difficult to maintain a healthy lifestyle or you are unsure about what to eat, my Raw Vegan 1.0 bundle could be just what you need. It's a comprehensive package packed with raw vegan recipes and juice recipes, serving as a one-stop solution. Remember, you don't have to commit to being 100% raw to reap the benefits of incorporating raw foods into your diet. The fewer processed foods you consume, the greater your likelihood of maintaining a healthy status.
Don't go out nearly as much as I should. Barely know the way around my neighborhood. I'm ruminating, I feel no good. Not living life like I know I could. Like I know I could. Like I know I should. Like I know I could. Like I know I could. Like I could. If you would show me, yeah. If you would show me, yeah. If you would show me, yeah.
While I've always cherished a cup of tea, lately I've been diving into a new chapter of minimalism. Following a recent panic attack, I've come to realize that I thrive with fewer possessions. My closet overflowed with unworn clothes, prompting me to declutter and selling off many items during my move. This has truly left me feeling liberated. Once my wardrobe is streamlined, I'll be at peace. Embracing this minimalist lifestyle involves resisting the urge to acquire unnecessary items and focusing on long-term benefits instead. This journey has been a slow but an enlightening process, helping me uncover my true self and develop strategies for optimal productivity. I'm excited to hit the road and experience firsthand the convenience of having this game-changing travel juicer with me. Packing has never been easier. I can fit all my clothes, water bottle, and toiletries into one bag. It's absolutely incredible. If you're a frequent traveler like myself and already own the J2 juicer, you'll be amazed by this one too. Plus, you can snag a $55 discount using my promo code Whitney10. Also, big shout outs to all the amazing mothers out there. Happy Mother's Day. I hope you have a fantastic day.